Swan, birds, history and facts. Let's go about this topic. Swans are majestic and graceful waterfowl known for their distinctive appearance and behavior. Here are some history and facts about swans. Taxonomy: swans belong to the family Anatidae, which also includes ducks and geese. They are classified in the subfamily Anserininae. There are several species of swans, but the mute swan, Cygnus oler, trumpeter swan, Cygnus buccinator, and tundra swan, Cygnus columbianus, are some of the most well-known. Geographic distribution: swans are found in various parts of the world, primarily in North America, Europe, Asia, and Australia. Some species are migratory and travel long distances during seasonal migrations. Appearance: swans are characterized by their long necks, large bodies, and webbed feet. They are easily recognized by their pure white plumage, although some species may have black markings on their heads or bodies. Lifespan: swans can live for a relatively long time, with lifespans ranging from 10 to 30 years, depending on the species and environmental conditions. Behavior: swans are known for their elegant swimming and graceful movements on the water. They are often associated with monogamous behavior, as many species form long-term pair bonds and mate for life. These pairs often engage in synchronized courtship displays. Vocalizations: swans are known for their trumpet-like calls, which vary between species. The trumpeter swan, as the name suggests, has a loud, resonant call, while mute swans are known for their quieter, hissing sounds. Feeding habits: swans are primarily herbivorous and feed on aquatic plants, submerged vegetation, and algae. They use their long necks to reach underwater food sources. Conservation status: the conservation status of different swan species varies. While some, like the mute swan, are considered invasive in some regions due to their impact on local ecosystems, others, like the whooping swan, are endangered. Conservation efforts are in place to protect these birds and their habitats. Cultural significance: swans have been a symbol of grace and beauty in many cultures. They often appear in myths, fairy tales, and literature. The story of the Ugly Duckling by Hans Christian Andersen is a famous example of swans in literature. Threats and conservation: swans face various threats, including habitat loss, pollution, and climate change. Conservation efforts focus on protecting their habitats, regulating hunting, and raising awareness about the importance of swan conservation. Swans in art and folklore: swans have been a source of inspiration for artists and writers for centuries. They are featured in paintings, poetry, and stories. In Greek mythology, swans were associated with the god Apollo, and in Norse mythology, they were believed to represent purity and beauty. Swans are not only fascinating birds from a biological and ecological perspective but also hold a special place in human culture and history due to their striking appearance and symbolic significance.